Hello, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you being here. I'm Lethal42. This is my reaction channel. I didn't mean to hit my keyboard. My main channel's in the box below. I'm going to be uploading there very shortly. Right now, I'm just kind of reading manga and having fun, hanging out, chilling. But today, getting into some Chainsaw Man. This is I was looking forward to this. I'm very tired today. I'm gonna go ahead and say that now. I was looking forward to this for a while. I'm ready to see where Denji's at. I really want to. Hopefully that's in this. And it says there's not even a break next week, so that's good. But I'm just gonna get right into it. I'm ready to see where Denji's at and what's going on. Anyway, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you don't mind, I appreciate it. There you go. Chapter 100. Alright. How to walk shoeless. Got a sword. Oh, they're on that mission to go hunt the... Gotta come back with a demon. Or a devil. Would devils really be inside a school? Supposedly devils sometimes live in the classrooms. Live in the unused classrooms. We never introduced... I'm Yuko. Oh, you're gonna die. You're way too friendly. I'm super into Chainsaw Man lately. Hey, me too. I'm Yoshida. Chainsaw Man's great, right? I like him too. Asa Mitaka. This sucks when I have to get teamed up with him. Oh man. Awkward much. I'm not the one who asked him out. Do you like Chainsaw Man, Asa? Can't time movie. Like as much as the average person. Oh no, they're from my class. She's gonna have a damn angst. Trying to get a boyfriend so soon after what she did. Oh my god. Yeah, she's gonna have an anxiety attack, man. Jesus. Something I have to do. Oh my god, she's getting fucking tortured by it. That's right. Oh my god. You almost forget that she killed Bucky. I guess I kind of forgot. I mean, like, maybe y'all didn't forget, but I fucking blanked. She is having a rough day, though. Rough couple of days. Oh, she chased her down. That's cool. Are you okay? The fuck is on her shit? Oh, raw meat? She is not fine. Are you sure? She just didn't even put her shoes back on. Everything's fine. She's just that meme of like the dog with the house on fire. This is fine. It's fine. Don't walk shoeless. Our feet hurt. Bullying is a commonality in the bullying is a commonality in communities without social fluidity, both human and devil. Shall I take care of it for you? You are not fine. She chased her into town. Oh, she gave her shoes. One of my shoes. Only one of your feet. What? I don't need it. You give it back to me. She ran away. This is a good panel. This is actually making my day a lot better. Just, I hate that she's gonna die. I know she's gonna die. I can feel it in my soul, man. Oh, man. Or she's like a devil. Oh, God, you just, you never know. This is my house. Want to come in? No, she's a devil. Take the other one, too. I have extra. Now both your feet will be protected on the way home. She's sweating and shit. No, I don't need your shoes. And sell them. Oh, this is just wholesome shit right here. Oh, God, this is just so wholesome. I really think she's going to die. That's the end of the chapter. I really think she's gonna die. This is too good. This is too nice. Things are going too well. She's too nice. Look, she gave her the shoes, said, fine, give it back, and then ran away. Oh, that's just, This panel's great. Of them running in front of the flower shop. There was time taken on this panel. Oh, I feel like I kind of blew through it, but it was an easy chapter to read. Like, there's not really a whole lot going on. I just kind of, you know, just kind of ditched Yoshida in the school to fight a devil. Like, fuck it. Just a random person we don't know. You got this, right? Just run the fuck off. Damn, she, you know, her house, if I'm not mistaken, that's kind of not so, looks kind of like a poorer part of town, so if I remember the way it's, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. She made a friend. You know, these moments are good. Oh my God, I'm surprised she didn't just throw up. Or use that sword she's fucking holding. She just drops it. Oh my God. Damn. Craziness. I can sit here and flip through this chapter forever. I guess I'll just wrap it up here. Anyway. Yeah. That's Chainsaw Man. It's given us a little bit more, like we have depth for her. She just wants more for herself, but like now we have someone who wants to be her friend, like genuinely, apparently. So as far as we thought. I really hope she don't die, but I can just feel it coming. Anyway, if you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, please don't. I'm fucking small time on this shit. Anyway, I appreciate you coming. You have a good one. Peace.